Hello and welcome. So you've got your new TrueAlert watch, and in this quick explainer, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know. Our goal is to make sure you feel totally confident and secure right from day one. Let's jump right in. First things first, I want you to think of this device not as some piece of complex technology, but more like a simple, reliable partner in your safety. It's really designed to be user-friendly and just give you that peace of mind. All right, first up, let's get familiar with the watch itself. We'll look at the basics and the super simple way to keep it charged and ready to go. Now, take a look at the watch. The design is intentionally simple. On the side, you'll see the most important feature, that big red SOS button. Then, on the back, you'll find the magnetic charging contacts and the heart rate sensor. Everything is streamlined, just to make it as easy as possible to use. Charging is incredibly simple. The magnetic cable just kind of snaps right into place on the back, so you don't have to deal with any of those tricky cradles. You'll feel a little vibration, you'll see the charging status pop up on the screen, and in about 2 hours, you'll have a full charge. Okay, now for the most important part, right? How to actually use the watch in an emergency. We're going to make this incredibly simple so you know exactly what to do when it matters. This is the one question everybody has, and the answer is designed to be completely effortless, especially when you might be feeling stressed. So let's walk through the exact steps right now. It is just one single action. You simply press and hold that red button on the side for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. That's it. You don't even need to look at the screen. The watch will vibrate and automatically call for help for you. After you press the button, you'll get instant confirmation right there on the screen that your alert has been sent. Then, an operator will speak with you directly through the watch's built-in speaker and microphone. This is a really common concern, and it's a great question. But don't you worry, the system is designed so that you are always in control, even if you press the button by mistake. If you do activate it by accident, a big cancel button pops up on the screen. You have a 5-second window to just tap that button. It's really that easy to stop the call before it ever goes through. So now that we've covered the big emergency function, let's take a look at the everyday features that make the TrueAlert watch so helpful and really easy to manage. The battery is designed to last at least a full 24 hours on a single charge, and if you want to check the power level, just swipe down on the screen. Plus, the watch will give you a heads up and let you know when it's time to recharge. You can also personalize the watch face, which is a nice touch. Just press and hold the main screen, and then you can swipe to choose from 3 different styles. Just pick the one that's easiest for you to read. Now, by swiping left or right, you can get to other features, like a step counter or a heart rate monitor. But, and this is really important, please remember, these are for your general wellness reference only. They are not a substitute for medical devices or a doctor's advice. Okay, let's talk about something that's actually really important. What to do if an alarm goes through by accident. We can actually turn that into a positive thing. So what happens if you miss that 5-second cancel window? It's okay. The most important thing to do is not to panic, and definitely don't hang up. This is actually a great opportunity. Simply wait for the operator to speak to you through the watch. Just let them know you're safe and that it was an accident. They are honestly happy to hear from you. You can even use that exact moment to confirm that they have your correct address and contact info on file. And get this, doing that counts as your required monthly test. You've just confirmed the device works, the connection is solid, and all your information is correct. So you've actually turned a little accident into a totally successful system check. All right. Finally, let's just cover a couple more common questions just to make sure you're feeling completely prepared and ready to go. We get these 2 questions all the time. First, can I wear it in the shower? The answer is yes, absolutely. You can and you should. It's water resistant. Second, how does fall detection work? Well, it's automatic. But if you feel you might be particularly prone to falls, you can contact STAAR Alert, and they can actually adjust the sensitivity for you. And that's really it. You now have all the key information you need to use your TrueAlert watch with total confidence. You know how it works, you know how to get help, and you know it's designed to be your simple, effective partner in safety. You're ready. So go on, wear it with peace of mind.